Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Yo, I appreciate you guys for the love you guys been showing, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in for another video. As you guys can probably tell by the title of the video, yes, I did get a carbon fiber hood. But before I even show you guys that, I'm gonna go to the gym. I know I gotta get that gym workout first before I come back and install it and show you guys what it looks like. Everybody basically has this hood who has a Camry, so you guys will be familiar with this hood. I got a good deal on it. It was a steal, and shout out to the boy Jacob because he hooked me up. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym right now first, meet up with my boy Ulysses. You guys know Ulysses, you guys seen him in the video. And then I'll come back, show you guys the trunk, I mean the hood, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But if you guys are all enjoying and having a beautiful, amazing day, hit that like button for your boy. And if you guys are new, hit the subscribe button, and let's get it. So obviously, as you can tell, I finished up at the gym. I'm tired. That last clip you saw, I did 3 sets of those for 10. And yeah, I still need to work on my legs. I need to get them more. I need to get them stronger. Yeah, that's why I'm like doing a little heavy weight with more reps. But yeah, I'm trying to like get my max up on the squats. You feel me? And the bench. I need to get my max up on everything right now. You know, I like showing y'all my little gym journey as well, you know. Hopefully you guys get a little motivated to hit the gym or something. Let me know if you guys like the gym content. Like, you know, I like just throwing in the little gym montage here and there, you know, just so, you know, because, you know, that is what I do at gym. I just hope you guys are enjoying the content. Also, I'm a little nervous how the carbon's gonna look on the black, you know, because I've seen how it looks on the white car and it looks, you know, nice because the carbon's popping on the white. But I don't know how the carbon's gonna look like on the black car. I've seen pictures of it, but I've never seen it in person, so, you know, I wonder how it would look. So I just got home, and I have the carbon fiber right here in the garage. Don't get mad how I have it laid on the floor, but it's okay. Nothing's happened to it. Everything's fine. I'm gonna show you guys. It's dirty right now because obviously we took it off the homie's car yesterday, and it was still on his car, and it was at the shop, and it was dusty. It's a little dusty still, so yeah, obviously I gotta clean it up and all that. But here is the carbon fiber hood. Whoa, bam! So obviously that's all dusty. You feel me? Relax, all dusty, dirty, still needs to get cleaned up before when I put it on there, it's gonna get cleaned up. But in the carbon fiber, yes sir, I got a really good deal on this, so I couldn't pass up on it. So shout out to the boy Jacob. And yeah, got the carbon fiber hood looking all spiffy. But yeah bro, I'm excited to put it on and see how it looks. And it's my first big carbon piece, so I'm hella excited for that. And I'm debating now on whether getting the trunk carbon fiber, but I seen a company that had TRD wings made in carbon. I asked them if they have some and if they have pictures, because there's no pictures to like get like a visualization of it or anything like that. So yeah, I'm still waiting on the picture, so they haven't gotten back to me on that. So I want to see first what it looks like, and then I'll possibly buy the TRD wing in carbon fiber instead of buying the whole trunk. You feel me? And here we go again with this thing always falling off. Yep. It's all beat up now, so I need a new one again. I'm telling you, bro, these things never last me. It just, you know, it just be scraping. And I still haven't put these on yet. I don't know, it's just a look. It's a look for me right now, so I'm gonna just rock that. There's the carbon piece, y'all, and I'm gonna install it later. I just don't have my dad here, so he can help me. I know how to take it off, but it's like a two-man job thing. I don't want this shit falling on my head or anything like that. I don't know, so yeah, just gonna wait for him. I seen yesterday how they took it off and what parts to put back on and all that. So yeah, we should be chilling. Everything's fine. Just gotta put it on, and yeah, very simple process. I've seen them do it. I think I should be able to do it, and just gotta wait for my dad to come home now. I've already gotten these bolts pretty loose already. I just need to loosen them up more, but I gotten these bolts loose on each side. It's literally 1 and then 2 right there, so it's a total of 6, and then it should just come right off. I gotta take off this hinge, place it on there, and then should be chilling. We finally got it off, and by we I mean my brother. He's over here. He doesn't want me to show his face, but we took the hood off. I put it over there. Now we got the carpet one, where I should have put on the grass too, but fuck it. And we're gonna put it on right now, and yeah. All right, ready?
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a one-boy cuddly toy, my own.
Finished it. It's mounted up. I just hope there's no gap. That's all I'm hoping for. But we about to see. Because I feel like this thing is a little smaller. Damn. It's not closing. Yeah, it's not gonna close. Alright guys, you guys saw, hold on, let it focus. Pick this up tomorrow because my battery's gonna die, so I'll charge my phone tomorrow. You guys will see it better in the sun, but you guys saw I was struggling with the latch to close it, but I finally got it to close just because my lock, the trunk thing was locked, so it made it seem like something was already closed on there, which there wasn't, so that was the big error. But it closes, it's good. I'll show y'all tomorrow in the morning when it's glistening because my battery's about to die. It's flashing, man. But look, she is looking good, and it's sitting nice, and everything's chilling. It is the next day. I came home from work and I just ate. I'm munched right now, but I wanted to show you guys the carbon fiber because you guys couldn't see it yesterday because it was night. But obviously you could see my stock one. Right here's the carbon one. You could barely see it, but look, I'll pull out the car right now because I'm about to go to Costco, and I'll show you guys how it looks in the sun when it's beaming. But yeah, here's the hood. Fitment is on point too. It looks good. You know what I mean? Ow, bam. This is how it looks in the sun. Damn, bro, that shit is beaming on the carbon fiber. God damn, dude, it looks so good in the sun. It's like shit. Bro, this shit looks so sick. It's crazy, bro. It's my first carbon fiber piece. Like, big carbon fiber piece, you know? And it just only makes me feel like if I should get the trunk. I've seen someone post the TRD wings that they have in carbon fiber, but I haven't seen any pictures released yet, so I'm still undecisive on that yet. But yeah, dude, what do you guys think? This shit is glistening in the sun right now. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section right now, bro. What do you guys think of the carbon hood? Because this shit is glistening. Pizza is secure, dudes. We got the pizza. Other thing, look at that carbon fiber glistening there. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh shit, I'm tired. I wanted to show you guys once again before I put the car in how the carbon fiber is glistening. Bro, look at this. Just look at that carbon, bro. Oh my god. God damn. She obviously needs a wash. I need a washer. Even the carbon fiber mirror caps, all the carbon fiber everywhere. But yeah, the carbon fiber is looking crazy. This thing is glistening, and like I said, bro, let me know in the comments what you guys think of the carbon fiber hood. And I'll show you guys right now how, like, I literally put it on real easy. I know the installation video was not the best, but all that. So what I did, literally took this bolt off, these two right there, and the same thing on that side. One here, two right there, and then obviously you got to take off the hose, and it should be straight. And then shout out to Jacob. Like I said, he sold me the hood, and these were already here, like the pre holes already. So like if I had bought it just straight brand new, the holes would have not been there. I would have had to do them myself, but they were already here, so didn't have to do it. That's why I made it real easy. Oh, shit. Damn, I left this chocolate in the car and it's all melted. Fuck. This sucks. But yo, let me know what you guys think about the hood. Like I said, leave it in the comment section below. But if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new. And told y'all yo, I was in for a little treat with the carbon. But yeah, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.